What's going on, guys? It's your boy Sticks, man. Welcome back to another video. We back with a little evening POV drive. I'm actually on my way to another game that's going on right now. We just finished our game. It was not good, bro. 8 years old, bro. Coaching, it's like babysitting for one. It's like it's I don't know, it's kind of rough right now, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, right now we're just gonna go watch the other team that's playing. It's like 30-minute drive, but yeah, we're gonna see what's up. Let's see what they got going on over there. If you guys are new, of course, don't forget to subscribe, man. You guys have been going crazy lately. Appreciate you guys. Hope you guys are doing good and all that fun stuff. But car's good, feels good. We definitely need an oil change. I actually got all the stuff to do it. I ordered it online because it's just cheaper to order than to go get it at one of the stores. So that's what we'll probably be doing. Maybe tomorrow, I think we'll do a oil change on the 440,000 if I have time. Because right now we're sitting at let's see here, 1,100 miles left, which is pretty similar to last time since I haven't really driven the car. But yeah, car feels good though. Gonna let it warm up a little bit because since I just left, and then I'll put it in sport because I know you guys like the pops and bangs and all that fun stuff. Oh man, that game was rough, bro. We had parents arguing, we had umps arguing, we had a terrible ump who didn't know how to make a call, who didn't know the rules. It was just bad, bruh. But yeah, we took a L, a big L. I don't even know how. Honestly, I don't even know what the score was. It was just a lot to a little. That's it. That's all I know. But yeah, I mean, we're just gonna keep going, I guess. These kids, bro. Damn, my mom lives right there. What the heck? I should have stopped by. Shoot, I don't got time though. We are in Connecticut right now. I come here and there because I got some family over here, but most of the time I'm just not here. Oh boy, I'm starving too. I haven't ate anything. That's the weirdest fire truck I've ever seen. Why do they look like that over here, bro? Fire truck looks like it needs a little upgrade. No cap. Oh. It's getting a little chilly out here, bro. We definitely don't have any more summer. I mean, we kind of do, but it's like barely summer. It's like, what's the weather like right now? I know it's like probably 70 something, and that's kind of cold for over here, boy. Oh, it's 66, even lower than what I thought. 66 degrees outside right now. And we just gonna keep on dropping. I don't even have a sweater to go to the second game. No, it looks like we're gonna be running into heavy traffic. My map looks red, bruh. That was rough, boy. I think that probably was the roughest game we've had. I mean, this is only our second game, but even my previous season, I don't think we ever had something this rough, if I'm being honest. Gotta get gas at some point too. Yo, honestly, shout out to all of you guys who have been getting the 440,000s or 4 Series in general. It doesn't have to be a 440, but just getting into the BMW, it's a good platform. I mean, it's a good car. So shout out to you guys, man. I hope you guys do enjoy the cars. Mod them how you want. Obviously, I have some videos that show like all the mods I've done on my car. So if you guys are interested in knowing what I've done to my car, just go scrolling on my channel. You're gonna find a whole bunch of videos of me just doing stuff. So but besides that, bro, just enjoy the car. Don't rush anything and just take your time with it, bro. Everybody has a different time with things, and everybody's pockets are different, and so don't rush anything. Whenever you have the money, do it. But if you don't got it in a moment, just do it when you can, bro. It's all good. You'll be all right. Hopefully this traffic is just right here and it's not crazy. Oh, it definitely looks crazy. These cars are not moving. No, it looks like we're gonna be in traffic for a little while, so I'll probably pick up the camera in a little while when we're out of it, so I can go ahead and put the car in sport. So I'll see you guys in a bit, man. Make sure you get your popcorn, your drinks, all that stuff ready, because we're about to go on a nice little drive. Well, I mean, it wasn't that much traffic, I guess. It went by kind of quick. figured it was gonna be longer, but better for us, really. The quicker the better. I feel like I've been driving so much because this past weekend we were in the Poconos, so we're in PA, and so like we've been driving back and forth because I've had practices and games, so I've been going back and forth, and I feel like I just been driving a lot. I didn't take my car or anything like that, otherwise I would have done like a little road trip POV. So I didn't really drive at like that. So today's the first time in like 3 days that I'm driving the car. I know I tell you guys that I like I daily, I really do when I'm home, but when I'm not home, obviously I'm not driving it. But yeah, I drive it when every time I get a chance. I'm definitely in the 440,000. I've ran into a couple of you guys too on the street, like, yo, Sticks, what's up? Which is cool always to see you guys. But yeah, man, we out here. Go ahead and put the car in sport. I think it's pretty warm now. Yeah, have fun with it. Back windows down a little bit, see if we can hear it. Look at the other side of the highway. Whole bunch of traffic. It's probably some construction or an accident, bro. Going up to Connecticut looks wild right now. Now that I mention it though, I haven't been in Connecticut in a minute. One thing I can say, even though the Connecticut like streets aren't the best, but better than New York for sure. Like, I mean, this little spot right here is not a good example, but they're all right. I feel like everything beats New York, bro. Streets. So much money in New York City too, but like for some reason the streets just no good, bro. It's like they fix it, but it's like a fake fix. It's like a quick fix. It's like, oh, real quick for a little bit, and then it gets just bad again. Oh, man, I'm tired, bro. I'm hungry. I'm not even gonna lie. Sounded good. Yeah, that sounds good right there. We'll be traveling deep for these games, bro. I think this is the furthest game, or probably second furthest game of the season. Most of the other games are like what, 15-20 minutes away, and that's it. This one was like 45 to like almost an hour trip. You guys like the lights? Yeah, ambient lights. Ambient lights. I don't know if you guys can really pick it up in the video. I mean, I know you guys can see these pretty good, but you guys can't really see the door ones that well. I know I can, but you guys can't. Then I got one here on the side too. Oh man, that's tired, bro. We're about to hit traffic again. I'm just gonna cruise, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I'm cruising. I'm just gonna chill for a bit. If anything happens, I'll pick up the camera again. But for now, bro, honestly, I just want to listen to some music and chill. So I'll see you guys in a little bit, bro, after we pass this traffic again, my guys. That sound went down mad fast, bro. I even lost track of time, but we are almost there. We're like 3 minutes away. Just had to pick up the camera real quick to tell you guys that I appreciate every single one of you guys, man. I appreciate the support, you guys watching the videos, taking the time of your day to check my videos out. Stay tuned for more videos, though. We got a couple cool things coming for the 440,000 finally, hopefully very soon. That's the plan for hopefully this month. Within a month, hopefully it gets here. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out my other POV drives. I'll see you guys over there, man. Peace.